So good day everyone, my name is Neil Brian Espanyel and I am here to tackle about the parts and functions of every part of the car. The vehicle that we use is Suzuki Carry. So this is a manual transmission car. So without further ado, let's check the external parts of this car. This is the headlights. So the headlights gives light when you drive at night. Is the signal lights. Signal lights, the purpose of signal lights is to indicate or show when you're turning directions, when you turn left or right. Okay, the side mirror. The purpose of side mirror is to see the rear view and the other side view. And this is also the door. It allows the passenger or the driver to go inside. And this is the window. So the window is the passageway to enter the air. And there is also the roller or window rollers used to open the window to let the air pass through inside the car. The purpose of the window is to allow the vehicle to move. The rear door. This allows to enter the passengers, and then also we have that the vehicle is turning left or right, and then the transparent indicates that the vehicle is backing up. Go on to the interior part of the car. So if you don't follow me, I will unfollow you also. So this is the interior view of the car. We will turn on to indicate the purposes of the interior parts of the car. Turn on. So this is the steering wheel. So the purpose of steering wheel is to turn left or to turn right. This is the gear shift. So the purpose of gear shift is to change gear. For example, first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear. This is the accelerator pad or the accelerator. So if you step on it, it accelerates. This is the brakes and then the clutch. So in order for the gear shift will be moved to the first gear, you must step on the clutch. So this is the horn. The purpose of this horn is to warn the drivers and also warn the pedestrians that a vehicle is coming. And we have